Slip into my world for a moment. If I could be your girl, I'll never show it. I'll leave it up to you to make that first move and show me you've got nothing to prove. You're under the spotlight, you're under review. I'll be watching you close if you choose to pursue this heart. It's been battered and bruised, but it's waiting to love you. I'll be your moonlight in the depths of a darkest night. If you'll be my sunrise, the beginning to my never-ending story of love and life. Can you paint the picture, my beautiful design? Test the waters and slide yourself closer to me. It's a little harder cause now you're in my territory, but it's alright. I know what it feels like to drop that pride and put your heart on the line. So I give you a chance to sling some romance. Confidence the key, cockiness is your enemy, but you won't find your way in if you try to break in. Gotta take the time, gotta walk the line and show me a sign.